Yo guys, so I just arrived to Auto Finish. There's Auto Finish in the background. So as I mentioned in the video, they contacted me and offered to sponsor the S2000 for HDAY. So we're just going to do a gloss enhancement because of time. As you guys know that HDAY is tomorrow. However, in future we do plan on linking up and doing a what's it called?
Multi-stage paint correction.
Multi-stage paint correction. So please stay tuned for that, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and then check Auto Finish out. I'll leave the information in the description, and then we're gonna get started with the S2000. Before we get started, let me just give you guys a quick walk around on the S2000 because it is very filthy. So as you guys can see how dirty the car is actually. It's actually a good thing because now we'll be seeing the difference between it being obviously dirty and then after Auto Finish does their magic. So this is what the S2000 looks like. They actually have a very cool setup over here. Look at all the products that they actually use. So this is also the passenger side. So yeah guys, that's pretty much a walk around on the S2000 and how dirty it is. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we just started with the S2000. I can already see some massive changes. I was telling them now I've never ever seen my wheels look so clean or so shiny. It's as if it's actual silver or something, like really, no? So it looks awesome. But yeah, we pretty much just now on the stage of actually washing the car, and then from here we can start doing the polishing. Okay guys, I don't know if you guys can see here, the bonnet is very, what would I call this, hazy, I would say. I think it's because of the final touch, but we just did a pass on the side over here. You can see it's not really as hazy. So hopefully that fixes everything, because I was kind of concerned about this bonnet being hazy. As you guys can see, the whole bonnet. I think the fender on the side as well. Okay guys, and then just off topic, another company is also assisting me with cleaning up my sneakers, so they're just collecting it right now. Stay tuned for a future video. Okay guys, so we finally finished the gloss enhancement on the S2000. Before I show you guys the car, I want you guys to pause this video and please give them a follow. I'll leave the information in the description, or contact them and maybe just get a quote as to what it would cost you guys to maybe do some detailing on your car. But without further ado, this is what the S2000 looks like. So I am extremely happy. The car looks like a brand new car, I would say. We were also having the discussion as to a lot of guys assume that they actually need to spray their car, when I would say this is actually the first thing that you would need to do to your car, because this can change your car completely. As you guys can see, shining, and the gloss of the car is just way more better. And I don't know if you guys recall that little hazing area over here on the bonnet. That's all gone. So I'm extremely happy, and this is basically what the car looks like. I was also amazed by how the wheels look. So they use a certain product, it's like this purple stuff. I've never seen it before, only on videos, but it just makes the wheel look a little bit better. These are also the products that they use. So I've actually never heard of this product. It's called Car Pro. So to my understanding, this is an international brand. International brand. And they actually had to go for classes in Durban, etc. Explaining them how to use these products, and so onwards. So yeah, like I said, they are obviously professionals at their jobs. And as you can see by the outcome, this is professionally done. So please guys, give them a follow, and then I just want to say personally thanks to them as well. Okay guys, so here's just a better look at what the S2000 looks like outside. I wouldn't say in the sunlight, there's not much sun, it's kind of overcast. Nice F2 over there, I think that's Jody's old car. But yeah, this is what the car looks like. I'm very happy with the outcome. As you guys can see here, the glitter looks insane. Show you guys the passenger side. That's what the passenger side looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Hello guys, so I just arrived to Killarney. The reason for me being here is because I plan on parking my car here a day before the time, because it is raining on HDAY. But anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. I have the new FL5 in front of me. So here it is guys, as well as the S2000.
The next day.
Yo guys, so I just left HDAY. It looks like it was a very awesome event. Massive shout out to all the organizers. Everything was great. Even though obviously it rained, the event still ended up being an awesome event. But yeah, I arrived there late. Also just leaving a little bit earlier as well. Just to, how can I say, get through that traffic, I would say. But yeah, like I said, overall great event, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short, didn't get to film much. However, I did get to meet a lot of you guys, so shout out to everyone that actually came to say hi and took photos, etc. But yeah, I'm gonna end it off here.